how to create Semrush affiliate account. So the first step is simply go to Semrush and then simply scroll down, and then at the bottom what you're gonna have to do is simply click on affiliate program under more tools, and then you're gonna get redirected to this page. So as you can see here, you can see all the benefits of joining this affiliate program, and as you can see, you can get $200 for every sale you make and plus $10 for every free trial your referrals sign up. So what you're gonna have to do is simply click on apply now, and then you're gonna get redirected to this new page. We're gonna have to choose how would you like to create your account. So simply click on sign up, and then here you're gonna have the contract that you can read. Then click on accept, and then simply choose any of these options, and then you're gonna get redirected to this page where you're gonna have to enter some personal information, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.